everyone, Bethany here and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a crazy amazing hack that I just decided to go for. You can see here I am making a lot of bows in bulk, but if you're like me and frequently have a bad cut or just material that does not cut in your machine well, I cut this on an Explorer Air and I'm trying to zoom in so you can see it better. But basically there's stippling along the edges and I can't sell that to someone. So I am going to take a cut down piece of tulle. It's about a ½ inch longer on each side, and I am just going to pinch it and glue it. I tried it out and I just think it's the best thing ever. I really like the results, and guess what? This bow ended up being my biggest seller this season already so far. We are not really fully into the Christmas season at the time of the filming, but before I've released this video, I've already sold out of all but one of these bows, and I made a lot. So I just put a little bit of glue on the back. Make sure you have something that holds, like that you can pinch it with. I have this finger grip from the Dollar Tree, and then I glued it again on the front to get that pinch. It's a little messy, that's why the finger grips are great, but it also is kind of tedious to use, so I do take them off sometimes and then I forget to put it back on. But basically I'm just pinching it one side in, and once again putting a little pressure with some glue while pinching the other side. And of course I go off camera to put the glue on this other side, but you get the point. It's not a super pretty fix, but because the tulle has the sparkles and the glitter put into it, the results end up being just fantastic. And before I go away, I am going to do where I put the front of the bow that did cut pretty. You'll see how the faux leather ribbon, I'm going to use the same tulle coverage because again the material wasn't the greatest, and so I need to cover up the stipplings too on that little faux leather ribbon. So to do that, I once again just keep folding it over. This time I fold it super tight. It's a lot easier when it's a straight edge versus something that's curved, obviously. But I have my Gorilla Hot glue on the front, and then I'm just pinching, and of course it's off screen again because I have to hold it close to myself to make sure I'm pinching it in the right spot. But I just pinch one side down and then pinch the second side down with more hot glue to the back. And now you can see how stunning it looks from the front even before it's finished cooling down. And now I just have to go ahead and add the bow clip to the back. My hack for adding the bow clip to the back is to just put some of the Gorilla Glue hot glue down in the middle, and then I use the quick hold, which is from the makers of the E6000, and it's basically like E6000. It's just meant to dry faster. Within 2 hours to 6 hours you should have a fully completed product versus waiting a full 24 hours to cure. I do still use the Dollar Tree clips here to make sure that it holds down firmly, especially with that extra layer of the tulle. You want to make sure that you're allowing enough pressure to fully grip onto the backing. And then I just let it sit bow side down, clip side up, so that I am not putting any undue pressure on the wrong parts. And there you have the final product. I am going to try to focus here, but I think that it is an absolutely stunning fix for any bow. I have several bows now that I just set to the side after they cut because I couldn't put them together, and now I'm realizing that I'm going to definitely have to use this tulle trick for the rest of them. And I think it's super fun, super cute, and guess what? These things sell. So if you're selling them or just making them for yourself, try it. Let me know how it works for you. I like the tulle with some glitter or confetti in it. They do shed a little bit, which is acceptable for me personally. But if you just use regular tulle, I've used at the time of releasing this video, I did use some regular tulle and it ended up looking amazing as well. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to check out the links down below. I will have links for our crafty shop. If you just want to buy a bow, buy a bow. I have lots to spare, and I will be running sales basically from here to the end of the month. So I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to find the joy in your day and a happy making. Bye. Oops. Helps to have the right screen up. What am I doing again? Oh yeah. For adding the bow clip to the black. The bow clip to the back.